हेलो व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू द लर्नर्स नर्सिंग क्लासेस। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी हाउ टू ज्वाइन मिलिट्री नर्सिंग सर्विस। सी देयर इज़ अ नोटिफिकेशन विच हैज़ कम इन द न्यूज़पेपर. आई विल टेल you information related to that. So B.Sc Nursing Course 2023, the applications are invited for the female candidates for the 4 years of training program, that is B.Sc Nursing Course from 2023. So candidates have to mandatorily clear the NEET UG undergraduate examination 2023. The eligibility terms and conditions will be published in the employment news or the Rozgar Samachar of the 10th June 2023. The same will be available on the website www.joinindianarmy.nic.in and www.indianarmy.nic.in websites. So registration for online applicant will be open after the declaration of the NEET UG 2023 result. For the updates, candidates are requested to check the website regularly. So a little information about the course. So approximately there are 220 seats. There are various colleges as mentioned: College of Nursing Pune, Kolkata, Ashwini Bombay, Army Hospital RR Delhi, Lucknow and Bangalore, and the seats are as mentioned. So educational qualification which is required for the candidate is the candidate must have passed 12th or equivalent examination with physics, chemistry and biology and English with not less than aggregate of 50%. 50% aggregate से कम marks नहीं होने चाहिए. Then comes what are the other requirements, like NEET UG score. Candidate seeking admission for B.Sc Nursing course at the Armed Forces Institution have to mandatorily clear the NEET UG examination 2023, which is conducted by the National Testing Agency. Now, what is the age limit? The candidate should be born on or after 1st October 1998 and on 30th September or before 30th September 2006. So both the dates are inclusive. Now, what are the physical standards for the admission? The minimum acceptable height of the candidate is 152 centimeter with correlating to the weight. In case of Northeast candidate, it will be relaxed by 4 centimeter. Like that is required is 148 centimeter. Then comes what is the examination procedure. Shortlisting through NEET UG 2023 score. Candidates seeking admission for B.Sc Nursing course at AIIMS institution will have to mandatorily clear this examination. ये बार बार हम बता रहे हैं. And test of general intelligence and general English. Candidate have to qualify the test of general intelligence and general English. That will be computer based test plus उसमें जो आपके syllabus से related भी आएगा like biology, physics, chemistry etc. And there will be negative marking also. Now there will be a psychological assessment test. This is not a qualifying test, but this is one part of it. And then there will be an interview of the candidate as per the merit on the basis of the written test and will be called for the interview. Like पहले written exam हो गया, वो clear हो गया, then you will be called for the interview. Now interview भी clear हो गया, then there is a final merit list made. Now final merit list of the candidate will be based on the merit of the written exam plus interview subjected to the medical fitness. Now ये सारे examination हो गए, उसके बाद medical fitness होगा. After the medical fitness, the fresh merit list will be made. The medical examination. Now candidate who have cleared stage 1 and stage 2 of the written and the interview will be forwarded by the medical examination. Now how to apply? The application fee. The online application process fee is rupees 200, and for the SC and ST category the fees is no, there is no fees and the payment has to be done online. Now how to apply? The eligible applicants must apply online through official websites. That is www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. We have arranged some important links like new registration, login to apply and download complete notification for the candidate, etc. in the link box. Candidate can use these links according to the need. Now, if you are a new user, then new registration link. If you are not registered it before, if you have applied it before, then log in with the same identity. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe and share.